Hi, this is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close is a new feature available in Intuit Accountant Suite that helps you track and complete your monthly close process for all your clients in one place. In this video, we'll walk through how to customize pre-close and additional items tasks. First, we'll go over setting up pre-close tasks. To get started, go to Books Close. Select Open File Review for the client and closing period you want to review. Then choose the Pre-Close section. Here, you'll see a list of standard pre-close tasks, along with a description, a link if provided, due date, who the task is assigned to, and the status of the task. In the Action column, select Edit to update the task or Delete to remove it. Select Add Task to add a new task to this section and add any details to the task as needed. The system will remember these tasks month over month for this client. To change the status of a task, select the drop-down menu under the Status column. Next, let's look at the Additional Items section towards the end of your Books Close process. This section works just like the Pre-Close section. You can select Add Task to add a new task, select Edit to update a current task, or delete a task to remove it. Now you know how to use the Pre-Close and Additional Items sections inside the Books Close feature.